Hey, what's going on, guys? On today's how-to, I'm going to be showing you how to install these universal Sparco mud flaps. So I bought these off eBay. They were only 50 bucks. Main reason I bought these, besides the price, is they're really big. So for last 9 years or so, I've had this set of Rally Armor mud flaps. Now, these things have held up through absolutely any kind of weather you can throw at them. The only thing is after 9 years, they're permanently bent because of the wind. So I wanted something a lot bigger, and these universal ones are definitely a lot bigger. So I'm going to show you how to install these. So let's start with the fronts. So for installing these mud flaps, I'm going to be using the old screws I had from the other Rally Armor mud flaps. All they are these nice big wood screws, and I'll put a link in the description to all the sizes you're going to need. But it's just these screws with these plastic washers to help keep the mud flaps on. So here are the holes where you're going to mount everything. Here, 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 and here. Now along the side, you're going to need these trim tabs. Right there. So these little things you're just going to put right in the side of the fender. So for installing these, the first thing I'm going to do is drill a hole right here in the corner, and then I'm going to install that into there. So for the rest of the holes, what you're going to do is once you put this screw in here, you're going to level out the mud flap to where you want it, and then you're going to hold it in place, and then peel it back just a little bit so you can see these holes right here. Then take a grease pen or a marker or something else and just mark exactly where that hole is. And then you can do that for the bottom one and this one. And then wherever you have this one placed, what you're going to do for the one that's pretty much in the middle is you're going to put a mark right here on the car, and then you're going to draw this X halfway on the car and then halfway on the actual mud flap. So when you pull it away, what you're going to do is measure down to this hole right down here. You're going to see that distance. So whatever that distance is, say 5-6 inches, now you're going to measure down from the mark on the mud flap right here, measure down that 5 or 6 inches. That's where you're going to drill that other hole. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. So the fronts are done, the backs are the exact same way. There's only 3 screws in the back, and then just cut them to fit for however low your car is. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and be sure to like and subscribe.